out on a hike today in New Hampshire with Liv and Munchkin. It's a beautiful day out. Yellow mushrooms. Don't eat them. I wouldn't eat this one either.
Too. There's a bunch.
Hopefully, hit record.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All up here.
Pretty mushroom. Say hi, Liv. Hi. Hi. It is. Oh, sweet.
There's like 4 of them, like in a run. All on the ground.
Plentiful of mushrooms. Holy smokes.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
Wow.
I've never seen
They're so pretty.
trail.
A ditto. Wow. How pretty is that?
That's crazy.
I know. Shade, that's what I said. Yep. Definitely gets your heart rate up when you haven't done it in a while.
Oh yeah. This is kind of a bit of uphill.
Ditto.
Right here is all like
Uphill, rocky.
Yeah.
Doing good, Munchkin. That is pretty. What is it, folks? Pink lavender? What is it? It's pretty. Try not to slip me. Yep. Yeah, because you don't have grippy grips on your sneakers, Munchkin. Yeah, ditto. Woo. Perfect. You're at the bridge? That was fast. Wowee. Awesome. What's the matter? You okay? You got it, Mia. Going right up that incline. Just pace yourself. You got it. That way you don't slip. See? So it's hard to tell when you're recording on video how steep this is, but it is rather steep. And especially when you haven't hiked in over a year, I can feel it in my legs. Feels good. The burn.
Be careful on the ground. There's a couple like rubber things sticking out across.
Gotcha. Thank you, honey.
Coming up on it right here. Just like step over. Yeah. Right
Oh
there.
yeah.
There's a couple of them up here too.
Okay.
You what?
Woo!
No, this is the most fun. That's the whole point.
Woo!
Rocks and stuff.
Yep.
And more of the rubber things.
Yeah, it's steep. Definitely a good workout. Sucking wind, man. Damn. Some serious incline. I'm still sucking wind coming up these hills. These are great. I haven't done these trails. These are tough. I love the challenge. Just about had a mile in, but it's been all elevation, good elevation. This is good. Mia is now in the lead. Not that it's a race, but the kid's doing amazing. Juma's definitely in the way back. I'm the caboose, but that's okay. So termites probably ate it.
It's like hollow dust inside.
Wow.
I mean, I'm not a...
Yep, me either, but look at that inside of it. Whatever was, it's just all sawdust.
It's all dust.
Disintegrated, whatever. It's got to be termites, wouldn't surprise me.
Seems like it.
Yeah. And it just fell.
Right down.
And zoom.
Look at Lena go to the tree.
I know, what a
Straight
good,
down.
yep, ditto. Sculptures. Pretty cool. Nice job. I do too. There's a- What? Another? Oh, it's massive.
You see it?
He's huge. Holy shit.
It's like
Oh yeah, look how big that thing is. Wow. Nothing but shrooms this entire hike. They're beautiful.
Did you know that
Wow.
there are
Ooh.
yeah, it is. This is cool. It's like
Might be it then. Like I said, I'm not familiar with this trail. I'm usually always on the other side, I believe. But whatever, it's beautiful. It should be. Yeah, it should loop. Listen to us. In theory,
theoretically.
yeah. Munchkin found this snake skin that was shedded at the little stream. No, you go. Yep, there you go. Pretty cool. He is cool looking. Wow. Good find.
I want a snake. That's what I want.
I would love. That's what I'm saying. I barely ever see them.
It's a bumblebee.
there's a teeny little small one.
Little black snake just shimmied across Liv's shoes. She almost caught him, but he tried to catch one. But they're fast. Aww. Could. Well, no. Hiking we will go. Hiking we will go. Hi ho the dairy ho. Hiking we will go.
Like I saw it and I didn't even realize
Fatoom.
it's gone.
It's gone. Yep.
It's gone. So fast.
We started in Pelham, New Hampshire. We were on the red trail. We went yellow. We ended up in Hudson, New Hampshire. Now we're back on blue and we're back in Pelham, New Hampshire. We don't know quite where, but at least we're in Pelham, New Hampshire. Oh, how neat. I haven't seen this. I haven't been up this far. These are cool.
Oh, that one's painted like a frog.
Yeah, so why would the tree be there if you want the green?
I don't know.
We've had it all today. Rocks, roots, tall grass, snakes, frogs. Definitely check for ticks. So we feel like we're going deeper into the woods. I mean, again, we're following the markers, but you would think by now, like Liv keeps saying, that we'd be hearing cars. As you start to wind back around, you hear the road. Well, we're not hearing no road. So
It's a lot of quiet.
it's beautiful out here. I've never been this far out.
No, it's
I love it. I mean, we'll find our way out eventually, but I could get lost in the woods and it doesn't faze me. I love it. It's beautiful. Just send search and rescue. All right, Mia. All right, we actually figured it out. We're heading back towards Sherburne and Pelham, New Hampshire.
another like 20 minutes.
Yeah, probably another 20-minute hike out. Okay. We are descending. We are in the right direction. It is quite slick in some spots. I just shimmied across a flat stone that was, I don't know, it was slippery. But heading down. Liv and I just almost ate shit on the same rock. Uh-oh. Here we go. That's when now we gotta descend it. Yeah, this is where you don't want to get hurt. You're more likely to get hurt going down. Yeah, she almost ate shit going on the rock back there. What's that? I do, coming up. Shit. Yeah, shit. Whoa! Uh-oh, you're spinning? All right, you need to drink more water. We're close. We're super close. We're coming down all the stuff we went up. That's you got to keep telling yourself that. We'll be out of here soon, okay? But don't go fast. You don't want to get hurt this close out, okay? Watch for slippery rocks, moss. What's the chances I'm hiking along and as I put my trekking pole down, it literally goes in this snake hole? I mean, look how small that hole is. What's the chances? You think I'd hit the lottery though? No, of course not. Oh well. Woohoo! We made it! Woo! Whoop, whoop! I've never seen a kid so excited to get to the car. She worked hard. Little legs try to double time with our bigger legs. Let's see what we got for... What do we got for mileage? Hold on. All right, what's the miles for the day, Liv?
4 miles.
We got 4 miles, and what's the elevation?
342 feet.
342.
512 calories.
512 calories burned. And what's our time?
2 hours and 18 minutes.
2 hours and 18 minutes. Not bad. It was all uphill.
Yeah.
A lot of it.
Average 40 minutes each.
So that's good. That's really good.
Yeah.
This is 40 minutes.
Oh, yeah,
Wow, we kicked ass.
Yeah.
Good job, Munchkin. You're only 7. You nailed it.
Hey everyone, I want to thank you for watching. I encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash that notification bell.